Good morning, dear student. Dear student, today we shall learn about the number system, and you know that number system, that means four type: positional number system, first decimal number system, and that positional number system. Yes, so four type: first decimal number system, and second octal binary number system, binary number system, and third octal number system, and fourth hexa decimal number system. So in last class we covered about the decimal and binary. Okay, so today we will discuss about the octal number. So what is, yes student, you know that what the base of decimal and binary. So 0 to 9 10 number, base of that decimal, binary 2 number base, and octal 8 number base, and hexadecimal the base of 16. Okay, this is a base. Okay, 10 that means 0 to 9, binary that means 0 and 1 only, octal 0 to 7, and hexadecimal 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, student, clear? So today we will discuss about the octal number system. So octal number system is the base of 8 number system. Okay, and uses the digit from 0 to 7. Okay student, clear? So suppose let's take any number. Suppose your number 112 and here sign. So this sign means this is a octal number. Okay student? Yes. So what's the process? Convert to decimal number. 1 base is here 8, so multiply by 8. Okay, and power here are 3 digit 1 2 3, so less the one number, so put the power 2. Okay student, and plus 1 into 8 power 1 plus 2 into 8 power 0. Okay, so 8 square that means 64, and 1 into 8, and 8 power 0 that means value 1, you know. So 64 plus 8 plus 2, so 6 4 8 12 12 to 14, 1 carry forward 6 1 7. Okay students, so that's 112 octal number convert in the decimal number 74. Okay student? Yeah. So in your book some octal number and binary number. Okay, so this is a octal to decimal. Okay, and some octal number octal to binary. Okay, yes, first 0 1, here are how many octal number? 7, 0 to 7. So make a row 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, student? Because octal number have a 8 digit but 0 to 7. So binary number octal 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and one octal number binary 0, 0, 1, and 2 0, 1, 0. Okay, student, and 3 0, 1, 1, and 4 1 double 0, 1, 0, 0, and 5 1, 0, 1, and 6 1, 1, 0, and 7 1, 1, 1. Okay, students, so please learn that octal to binary. Suppose you have 65 octal number, okay, and change to binary number. So how you will do? So 6 1, 1, 0, okay, and 5 octal number 1, 0, 1. So this is a binary. Okay, suppose second example 1 7, so 1 0, 0, 1, and 7 1, 1, 1. Okay, student? Yes. So this is a converting to octal to binary. Okay, so please this record. Okay, student? Yes. And next number is hexadecimal number system. So hexadecimal number have a 16 digit. Okay, hexadecimal numbers. Okay, so that's base 16, so that means A to 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, student? Yes. So in number system, hexadecimal is a number system with a base of 16. Yes, and usually written using the symbol 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, student? Yes. And the decimal number 79, whose binary representation is the 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, can be written 4f. Okay, yes. So in hexadecimal, look, have some example. 1f 16, because this is a hexadecimal, so their base of 16. Okay, so 1 into 16. Okay, and 3 digits, so write here square. Okay, student, and plus f into 16 and 1 plus f into 16 0. So student, you know that what's the value of f? Okay, so 0 to 9 and after 9, so the value of a 10. Okay, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 11, c is equal to 12, and d is equal to 13, and e is equal to 14. And e f is equal to 15. Okay, student? Yes, the value of alphabet. So put the value of f. F value 15. 16 plus 15 into 60 power 0 1. Okay, student? Yes. So that's 16 square value 256. Okay, and 15 into 16. Okay, so that's value 240 and here 15. Okay, student? So the total of number 511. Okay, students? Yes. So this is an example of hexadecimal. So have in your book some table. Okay, and what's the value of hexadecimal? 0. What's the value of binary number of hexadecimal 0 and decimal number? So look the table. Make it one, make it 3 column. First hexadecimal, hexadecimal. Second binary number. Okay, and third decimal. Okay, so here are 16 pages, so make a 16 row. Yes. So hexadecimal 0 value and the binary number of 0 hexadecimal is 0 0 0 0 and the decimal value of 0 hexadecimal 0. Okay, student? And the 1 hexadecimal and binary number 0001. Okay, and the decimal value 1, and the second 2. So what's the value of hexadecimal 2? Binary number 0010. Okay, and decimal 2 and 3. So binary number of 3 0011. Okay, and decimal number 3 and the hexadecimal 4 and the binary number of 4 hexadecimal value 0100. Okay, and decimal 4 and the 5 hexadecimal number and 0101. Okay, and decimal number 5. 6 hexadecimal number and 0110 and decimal 0, and 7 0111 and hexadecimal 7. Okay, and the 8 1000 and the decimal 8. Okay, and the 9 1001 and the 9. Okay, complete your 0 to 9 binary and decimal value, and A to F. A, B, C, D, E, F. C, D, E, F. So A, that means 10. Okay, so that's 1010 and the number of decimal 10. Okay, and the B 1011 and that's 11 of decimal number. Okay, and C 1100, that's 12. Okay, and D hexadecimal 1101, that's 13, and E, so E 1110 and here 14, and F 111 F. Okay, 15. So total number of 16. So this table given display the binary and display and decimal equivalents of some hexadecimal number. Okay, student. So please learn hexadecimal value in binary and decimal number. Okay, student. Yeah. Suppose I give to you some 4B and 3A. Okay, this is hexadecimal converting into decimal number and other number. So how? So 4, suppose binary number 4. So 4 0 1 B 1 0 1 1 and 3 0 0 1 1 and A 1 0 1 0. Okay, so this is hexadecimal value in binary code. Okay, student. Yes, so please follow the table. And next main topic is conversation. Okay, student, conversion to and from other number systems. Okay, just like decimal to octal, octal to decimal, okay, decimal to binary, and binary to decimal, okay. So first let's start conversion decimal to binary. Very simple. Decimal conversion, okay, decimal to binary, okay. How will we convert the decimal number to binary number? Okay, student, suppose example 118, okay, this is a decimal number, clear? So you have two methods, okay, but second method is good because you know that how will we find the LCM, okay, student, in math subject. Yes, so same condition here with decimal to binary. So 118, so here 118 divide by 2, okay. So 2 5 ja 10 and 2 9 ja 19, okay student. No any remainder, and write here remainder. So no any remainder, so put the value 0, okay student, and multiply by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 carry forward 19, so 2 9 ja 18, 1 remainder, so you will be write here 1, okay, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 1 remainder here, and 2 7 ja 14, no any remainder, so write here 0, okay, and 2 3 ja 6, 1 remainder, so write the remainder here, okay, 2 1 ja 2, 1 remainder here, okay. So you finish, okay, and here stop here and write the 0 and put the 1 here, okay, and that means, and you will take the number from down to up, okay student, down to up. So what's the binary number of decimal 118? 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. Look, 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. That's complete. Okay student, clear? Look in your book, okay, yes. So convert one, let's see the next other example of that process. Suppose your number next 156. So look, 156, right here, remainder 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, no any remainder, 0. Yes, 2 3 ja 6, 2 9 ja 18, no any remainder, 0. 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 1 remainder. Yes, and 2 9 ja 18, 1 remainder. 2 4 ja 8, 1 remainder. 2 2 जा 4, no remainder, 2 1 जा 2, no remainder, and 0 and here 1. So this one you will write here, okay, and start from down to up. So 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. Okay student, clear? And check the verify this number is right or wrong, okay, and your process is right or wrong, okay. So how will you find that binary to octal? So look, that binary number 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so here 1 into 2. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 2 power 7, and that 0 into 2 power 6 and plus 0 into 2 power 5 and plus 1 into 2 power 4 and plus 1 into 2 power 3 and 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 and plus 0 into 2 power 0. Okay student, so 2 power 7, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32 and 32 2 ja 64 and 64 2 ja 128. Okay student, so you will solve that, you find the 156. Okay, so this is a decimal to binary and this one is a binary to decimal. Okay student, yes. So this process binary decimal and this one decimal to binary. Okay, and next day we will learn the new conversion, decimal to octal. Okay, decimal to octal. So you do the self practice with some number. Okay student, yes, in your book have some, in last page number 28, okay, have the decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Okay student, that one do the self for the practice and for more knowledge. Okay, yes, so please do the practice with the number. Okay student, thank you so much, have a good day.